Hi there, this is Dr. Evan Osar with the Institute for Integrative Health and Fitness Education. Happy Saturday. Hope you're having a great weekend. Just want to shoot this quick video because I'm about to jump on to Anatomy Geeks. We're starting in about 5 minutes, so I got to make this real quick. We're actually just finishing up our 4-part series on the foot and ankle complex, where we share functional anatomy of the foot and ankle complex, and more importantly, how do you apply this knowledge to your clients? And we have a brand new series coming up of Two Anatomy Geeks. Got my Two Anatomy Geeks shirt on right here. Hey, Kathy, how are you? In the brand new series of Two Anatomy Geeks, we'll be discussing knee issues, common knee issues that lead to knee osteoarthritis, because so many of us deal with clients that have knee osteoarthritis. We may have clients that have joint replacements and have come out of joint replacements or are going into joint replacements. We have clients that struggle doing stairs, walking, squatting down to get down into their lower cabinets or to pick up their grandchildren. So we have lots of clients that have knee issues, and there's not a lot of great strategies. And I just want to share a quick story with you and invite you to join us for this brand new series. I had a client that I'm working with who actually has a foot and ankle issue. In fact, she was hit by a drunk driver, and her ankle was quite damaged by the drunk driver and by the incident, to the point where she thought she was going to lose her ankle or foot. They were going to have to remove the foot, but she had a great surgeon, came through, really great story. However, in the process, she ended up overloading her opposite side. And you can imagine, like, if you can't walk on your ankle and foot very well for the last 4 years it's been now, she's overloaded her other side. So her knee and ankle, or I should say her knee on the opposite side, is quite degenerated. Now, she's been doing the exercises that I gave her for the foot and ankle on the one side. She's like, yeah, my knee on the opposite side is actually bothering me almost more than my foot and ankle. So I'm like, let me see she's like, I'm doing the PT exercises the physical therapist gave me. So I'm like, let me see the exercises. And a lot of the exercises she was doing, she's like, yeah, this kind of hurts, but he told me to do it and kind of force myself through it. It's sort of the generic knee protocol. And unfortunately, when you don't understand knee anatomy, and I'm not saying the physical therapist didn't understand knee anatomy or assessment or corrective exercise or things like that. I'm just saying, when you don't actually understand how to assess your client and how to use the most appropriate exercises, you'll give your clients very generic exercises and force your client into exercises that aren't appropriate because you truly don't understand what you're assessing for and how to look at your clients. So I just did a quick assessment with her, and I gave her a few quick, easy things to do for her knee. We basically took her off all her other exercises. I modified the exercises she's doing now. By the end of the session, again, when I say end of the session, 10 minutes later, like literally it took us 10 minutes to go through these exercises. She's like, oh my God. The physical therapist had her doing, for example, like she was stepping up onto a step. I don't even know why I'm doing that because you can't see what I'm doing. She was stepping up onto a step, like a single leg step up. She's like, oh my God, that hurts my knee so much. And I'm like, yeah, then don't do it because it's not helping you. If this is causing you pain, pain will actually inhibit the muscles around the knee. And that's an important factor. Hey, Rahul from India, he's about to jump on Two Anatomy Geeks with me. So, hey, how are you, buddy? So, an exercise that actually increases knee pain isn't going to help your clients. So we did our exercises. After, I'm like, let's do that knee step up again. And she's like, oh my God, there's almost no pain as I do that. I have so much more range of motion. I can actually bend my knee without it being painful. And I'm like, I still don't want you to do this single leg step up as an exercise, but we're gonna progress you to that. But it gave her a strategy that she can actually work her knee and work muscles around her knee and actually not stress her knee out, and actually felt better as a process of it. And this was completely virtual. I just taught her this online. So I'm going to share with you the strategies for improving knee function, for assessing and improving knee function, and using your anatomical skills that we teach you. Jill will make this super exciting and fun for you to learn the anatomy around the knee and how it applies to the most effective assessments and corrective exercises, and how to help so many clients that have knee osteoarthritis, chronic knee issues, as well as they just haven't been helped by traditional physical therapy and or other type of rehab approaches. So hope you join us. I put the link next to this video. If you do have any questions about Two Anatomy Geeks or your clients that have knee issues, just let us know. Reach out. Thank you for joining us on this Saturday morning. Check out Two Anatomy Geeks. It's the most fun you'll have learning anatomy. Jill makes it real fun to learn it. I'll give you more of the education and the importance of it from Rahul. You're right. Monday, we're starting the knee. So the next 4 Mondays, we record all the sessions. So in case you miss it, you can watch the recordings, and you also have access to the recordings if you want to re-watch it. So Mondays at 6 p.m. Central. So for the next 4 Mondays, We will get CECs, but that probably won't be till next year because we have to finish the series before we can apply for CECs. However, like Raul says, it's really about the information, the knowledge, the confidence you will have working with clients with chronic knee issues, and how you can help more of your clients and attract more individuals that need, want, and will pay you for your expertise. So Dr. Evan Osar, to Anatomy Geeks. The link is next to this video, wherever you're watching this. Thanks so much for all you do for your clients, and we look forward to having you join us for the next series of To Anatomy Geeks. Only $49 for 4 sessions, so it's 4 hours. It's probably over 4 hours because we always go longer than an hour, and we'll have a lot of fun on this series, and we look forward to seeing you. Make it a great day. Keep serving your clients. Keep being confident. Keep having a clear message, and communicate with your clients so that they know that you're the leader for them, and they will feel confident referring their friends and family to you as well. Make it a great day.